Ni hao. Drink.
Drink. What do you want, sir? They have a Mountain Dew or juice.
Oinomed. Oinomed juice.
Oinomed juice?
Yeah,
What's
oinomed
that?
juice.
Only shrimp, frog.
Frog. Frog.
No frog.
No frog?
No.
Good, delicious frog.
No, but no frog.
No. Okay. Mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan diha karon naata diri sa Danau, Aritay. Ni hao. Xiong chai lai ne fong no.
Sir?
Like chai lai ne fong no.
I have a Japanese gun, sir.
Me no Japan. Me Guamanis next to Taiwan, small island. You Philippine?
Yeah, I'm Filipino.
Good. Okay. Food?
Yes?
Delicious?
Yes?
Philippine food?
Yes? They have a Filipino food and they have a Chinese food. And they have one. Only a Japanese food.
Japanese.
Yes. And then Filipino food.
Philippine.
Yes.
Delicious?
Yes.
Yang này phong nó, yang này ngang ra kuti niya ne sushi fuji.
I can understand to you, sir.
Me small English.
Yeah.
No?
I cannot so understand your what did you say, sir?
Wamani yatani itsinip yukuluk yang tai phong nó na chuang ne. Na chuang ne.
You want to eat?
Yeah, na chuang ne.
Okay, sir. You want to see menu na lang, sir?
Menu.
Yeah.
Good? Okay, try. You recommend.
I have the best seller, sir, is Mixi Foods.
Mix.
Yes.
Good?
Yes. Mixi Foods.
Philippine?
Yeah.
Exotic, no exotic.
Exotic, no. Only shrimp, frog.
Frog.
No frog.
No frog?
No.
Good, delicious frog.
No, but no frog.
No. Okay.
Only shrimp, crab, then kanang scallops.
Okay. You recommend.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, try. Yeah, lại nè phong nó. Lại này nè phong nói nè.
Yeah.
Nói yang nè sen tay nó.
Yeah.
Sen tay này nọ wong nó nè. Wamani yatani isinip yang yukuluk yang nè ugnuluk. Ugnuluk food. Ugnuluk food. Okay, try. Ugnuluk food.
Ognolok food.
No?
What's that?
Food. Best seller.
Yeah. Okay. The best seller is only Mixi Foods.
Mix. Okay, good.
Okay.
Wait, look. Here. Mix.
Here, sir.
Xing chai lai nè na phong nói nè. Me recording.
You're recording?
Yeah. You hi. Philippine. Yeah, lai phong nói nè. Philippine. Xing chai lai tang wa.
Some Mixi Foods there.
Yo lai nè phong nói tang wai nè na rekutin ye nè phong no. Okay. Me sit. Okay.
You just sit down, sir.
Okay. You yeah lại này phục tới yang nó yang đang rất có tiền nhiên để phun nó. Xin này. Me food already.
Yeah.
Drink.
Drink. What do you want, sir? They have a Mountain Dew or juice.
Oinomed. Oinomed juice.
Oinomed juice.
Yeah,
What's
oinomed
that?
juice. Oinomed.
What's that?
Fruit.
It's a fruit.
Yeah, oinomed juice.
Kind of fruit. What kind of fruit do you want? They have a mango or
Oinomed juice
and then the Mixi Foods.
and Xiong lai tang wa. Xiong lai tang wa. Xiong lai tang wa lai tang nek tang wa nè na chuang nè lai tang wo.
I can't understand, sir. What did you say?
Xiong lai tang wa yang nè phong no lai tang na rakutin. Rakutin.
Rakuten.
Yeah, rakutin.
What's that? A rakuten.
Kanang kasi klase nga seafoods ba isda siya nga daghan siya.
Come on.
Papuan ka na siya. Mga trader na, mga trader. Alright guys, na-prank na ako si ate. Nari ko diri sa Box Asian Fusion Resto Bar. Naani located sa Danau guys. Right, order sa ta. Bumbalabab.
I can
Kuan mo na kuan.
Alright. Nabuang si ma'am si katawa. Ma'am, kung hindi na ma'am. Right guys, orders ako. Pinoy food ug Japanese food tirada ba? Lamiya sa balbacoa, mura nagmatunaw si mong babay ni kaon nimo. Yang ilahang calamari, crispy kayo, yang unod humok ba. Isad palupig ilahang dumplings guys. Abunda sa kaigsud, yang ilahang steam pumpano. Grabe, klaro kayong fresco kayong isda kay wagyu ilang siba. Yang ilahang mixed seafood, pang malakasan kayo daghan kay sagol na ay shrimp, na ay crab, na ay tahong, scallops ug uban pa. Lami pigyo kayo kay klaro kayong daghang kayong butter ba. Wayog ko nagmahay nga ni kaon ko diri sa Box Asian Fusion Resto Bar. Guys, open din ni sila every day from 6 AM to 12 midnight nya. Every Thursday to Sunday naa sila live band. Hindot kayo lang pwesto guys, hayahay kayo, daplin ra sa daan. Naa din ni located sa Taytay Danau guys. Naa sa left side kung padung kag Carmen. Nasa day sila delivery guys. Pwede ra mo message sa ilahang page or pwede ra sad mo mutawag sa phone number kanang nasa screen. Shout out day ko ni Ma'am Ruby Rose Robino ug ni Sir Rodney Robino ug shout out pod ni Sir Charles Sakay.